In this brief video, I will demonstrate how to create a single variable data set within Rguroo. So going to the left menu, left clicking on Data, left clicking on the Data Import button, coming down to Create New Data Set, left click on that. Notice that immediately I'm given a row with one cell available to it. I can give this variable a different name than what it has right now. The name is variable 1. I'm going to go ahead and call it, just for the heck of it, I'll call it numbers. And in this case, since I want to have 5 different data values that I want to save as my new data set, I come up to where it says add a single row. Notice that I'm getting a prompt saying that, and I left click on that icon until I get 5 rows for my data set. Now, if I want additional columns, if I want additional variables in the data set, I would click the button that allows me to add a single column. But in this case, I just want the 5 rows, single number in each row. So now I'm going to put in some numbers for my values. So left clicking in that cell, I'm going to enter in 20, 25, and I'm just using this tab key to go to the next cell, 35, 50, and 75. That now completes entering in the numbers for my data set. And I can now come up to the right-hand side of the Rguroo screen, left click on, first give the name to the data set that I'm going to have. So I'm going to call this sample numbers, where I put an underscore in between the two words. And then I'm going to go ahead and left click the Save As button. And you'll now notice, click the OK button, move down in my data sets, and notice down at the bottom I now have sample numbers. And that's it. That's all there is to entering in a data set into Rguroo. And now at this point, I could do some things with this particular data set. Let's say I want to find the summary statistics for it. So I come up to the Functions button, left click on that, Summary Statistic. I'm going to select my data set, which is the sample numbers that I just had. It is numerical. Numbers is the variable. I don't have any frequencies. I would have needed to have created a separate column in order to have frequencies in my data set. And now I'm going to find these various values, the count, the minimum, median, quartiles, means, standard deviation. I can check any of these boxes, and when I click the view and then left click on all observations, I can see all of the sample statistics for that set of 5 data values. And that's it. That completes this demonstration.